Galin here with the Chatham Journal. I'm with Dr. Puza here at the Triangle Family Dentistry. I know that because it's up there on the sign. And you're a general dentist.
Correct.
And you and Dr. Jess have known each other for 5 years.
Correct.
How long have you been working for this organization?
5 years.
All right.
Yeah, I met Dr. Jess when I joined the group in 2019, and we worked together in the Cary Park location. And we decided when we were looking at expanding that Pittsboro would work out great for both of us.
All right. Why did you decide to become a dentist?
I like working with my hands. I really like working with my hands. I was always interested in medicine. Dentistry fit really well with, using my hands and being creative. I was always in art and creative things in high school and college. I always built skateboard ramps and stuff like that. And so then when I was looking at where I wanted to go in the medical field, dentistry made a lot of sense to me.
Do you have a lot of people do skating on skateboard ramps that have to come see you?
Dental trauma is a big part of what we do. We, fix teeth, broken teeth, fractured teeth, displaced teeth. We can get those back in, or if you're missing a tooth, we can replace it. Dental implants is a big part of what we're doing here. So we, if there's a problem, we can handle it.
Where'd you go to dental school?
Medical University of South Carolina, down in Charleston, South Carolina. I was there for 4 years, and then I went to the Army for 4 years. And I did some advanced training with the Army.
Are you still in the reserves?
I'm in the reserve. Yep. So I'm in a unit down in Charlotte. I just transferred. I was in a unit in Columbia, South Carolina. Now I'm in Charlotte, and been with the reserve since I got out. And it's fun to put the boots on.
All right. Since Dr. Jess went to UNC and you went to South Carolina, does he ever pick on you about that?
No. He knows that I'm better at it than he is.
Oh, is it? Okay. Well, I asked him this question. I'll ask you this question. In your position as a dentist, what's put the biggest smile on your face about some job you've done or some patient you've had to handle?
We deal with a lot of emotion. A lot of what we do can be very transformative for patients. And so, whenever we're able to fix a problem for a patient, get them out of pain, or allow them to smile for the first time in years, that's very impactful. I do a lot of tooth replacement. So when I have patients that say, look, I've had this mask on for the last 2 years, or I haven't, been to a social event in 5 years because of the condition of my teeth, when we're able to resolve that for them, it has a big impact.
So by fixing their teeth, you're actually being able to overall increase their general health.
Absolutely. Your oral health is so important to your systemic health, but also to your social emotional health. Your ability to present yourself in public, can be very impactful at work and your life in general.
All right. I asked Dr. Jess this question, so I'm going to ask you too. How often do you floss?
How often do I floss?
How often do you floss? Come on, you guys always pick on patients. You got to floss every day.
I would say 5 days a week.
5 days. Well, you take off Saturday and Sundays?
There's nights where it just doesn't happen.
You and Dr. Jess have got to work on that. If I ever come back, you need to say 7 days. What do people here in Pittsboro and Chatham County need to know about your dental and orthodontic service here?
Our goal here at Triangle Family Dentistry is to be a one-stop shop. I do everything under the sun when it comes to dentistry. If you need a root canal, we can do it. If you need your wisdom teeth out, we can do that. We have sedation dentistry. We have, all the options available to take care of literally anything that you need as far as your teeth are concerned. If it's something that we can't do, we'll find somebody that can, but it's very hard to find something that's not something that we're able to take care of for you.
All right, and if somebody wants to come in and use your services, what do they do? Just call or walk in and set up an appointment?
You can call the office. I don't know the number off the top of my head. Or you can come in, speak with Danielle, speak with Lisa, speak with Kiara up front. We also have a great website, tfdsmiles.com, where you can set up an appointment and fill out any paperwork you might need. But we're thrilled to be a part of the community and very, very happy with how things have gone so far.
All right, folks, you got Dr. Puza here, friends with Dr. Jess for 5 years, but you need to come and check him out at the Triangle Family Dentistry. They've been open several months, but they finally decided to have their grand opening today. So, Dr. Puza, thank you very much.
Sure, thanks so much.